The more astute of you will have noticed that this guy's head is in the middle of our bleed area, and in fact we can look at that. Let's go ahead and pull these three pieces up to the top. Pink. Put them in a group. If I hold the command key down and click that folder, it puts them all in the same group. And we can see here that his head is going to get chopped off when they cut the page. It has potential, so we'd have to move that particular piece around to get it in. And notice, because it's all on a clipping panel, we can move that and not have to worry about changing out our mask or anything. It's okay, now he fits onto the screen correctly. And this is a little bit close to our margin. I might move that over a little bit so we can come up here and say I'll move both of these over a little bit. Oh, I forgot the edit, redo, All right. Bear with me a second here. There we go. We got the move. All right. So our little square guy. This is what happens when you fail to name your layers correctly. Is it gets very hard to figure out where pieces are that you need to work with. So these three pieces need to move. All right. There we go. Just a little bit, so it's not quite so close to that margin edge. And while we're at it, I don't like where the balloon is either, so I'm going to move that around. And I can take that all the way over so that it's into the margin. That's okay. You just don't want it into the bleed area. And that would give us a slightly better look.